Bird Sanctuaries of Sri Lanka, Yala National Park Sanctuary. Yala or Ruhunu National Park is one of the best and most popular parks in the country due to its diversity and density of mammals. The park consists of 5 blocks covering an area of 97,881 hectares. Block 1, which was established in the year 1938, covers an area of 14,101 hectares and it is widely used by tourists due to its very extensive network of roads. Block 2 was established in the year 1954, Block 3 in 1967, Block 4 in 1969, and Block 5 in 1973. The vegetation of the park is primarily semi-arid thorny scrub interspersed with riverine forests and fairly dense pockets of forests. Birds you can see: black-necked stork, lesser adjutant stork, white-necked stork, open-bill, hoopoe, Malabar pied hornbill, Ceylon grey hornbill, orange-breasted green pigeon, rosy starling, European bee-eater, orange-headed ground thrush, blue-faced malcoha, red-backed, black-backed yellow, yellow-fronted pied and brown-capped pygmy woodpeckers, Indian pitter, lesser whistling teal, etc. We have more videos on bird sanctuaries of Sri Lanka. You can find those under the title Bird Sanctuaries of Sri Lanka. Stay connected with us. Please like and subscribe to the Pearl of Travel channel.